last night, if you saw in the movie, there was a scene in which the author is asked by the women there, do you come up with your ideas first and then write, or do you write first and then come up with your ideas? So somebody asked the rabbi, do you come up with your drasha first and then you look for a pasuk, or do you have the pasuk first and then you come up with the drasha afterwards? Anyway, where do we find Mordechai in the Torah? So that's the way we'd normally answer and say, Purim. So the Gemara asks the question. Gemara says, Mordechai min Torah min hayin. Where is Mordechai found in the Torah? And the Gemara says, because in the Shemen HaMishcha, the anointing oil, which was used for all of the kalim, all of the vessels of the Mishkan, and all of the Kohanim. It's going to be in this coming week's Parsha also, about anointing Aaron. And one of the ingredients is called Mordechai. And Mordechai, the translation is chief spice, or myrrh. That's a translation of it. And the Targum of it is Mordechai. Mordechai, say it quickly. Mordechai. So where's Mordechai in the Torah? It says Mordechai, Mordechai. So are you going to say, that's just Purim Torah? No, the question is, where's the concept of Mordechai found in the Torah? Because if you think the Shemen HaMishcha, add up the amount that's there, and all of the kalim, all of the vessels were used to be anointed with this. And there was oil left over for all of the Kohanim. And then it was put away to anoint all of the vessels in the future of the Beis HaMikdash. And the kings were anointed, all with that same amount of oil. How did it last? How could there be so much oil from that amount? It was a miracle, right? So if it's a miracle, why do you have to anoint it? If God's going to make a miracle for it to happen, so that's what Mordechai says. Mordechai says the Jews are going to be saved, but if we don't do our part, we won't be together with them. That is, you have to do your part, and then Hashem will do the rest. That's the message of Mordechai. And welcome to Mordechai, who's with us here this morning.
Oh, wow.